Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on notifications here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, come here to in-app notifications, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to show notifications, just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color it's gone here, that's mean show notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.